Hey, got a quick question for you. How many times have you found yourself sweeping? Why are there so many rocks? And then vacuuming. And then sweeping again in your van. How did you even all get in here? Or maybe you're just looking for something that looks great and solves all these issues for your very own custom van, Revel, or Storyteller. I mean, that's what this video is about, so I don't really know why you're still watching if you're not here for that. Anyway, today's video is about the Inhabit floor mats and why you should probably, definitely, get some for your own van. Inhabit floor mats are built from extremely durable marine grade material that are built to keep sand, snow, and everything else in between off your floor and out of your van. And all it takes to clean them off is a quick sweep or a simple shake. And here's Nate with a few more reasons why these mats are great for anyone and everyone who's in a van.
Hey guys, it's Nate from Tourig talking about a really cool product from Inhabit. These flooring mats are awesome because not only can we fit them to any type of Mercedes, that includes your very own Tourig or Storyteller, Revel, but they're also just great because they're weather resistant, mold, mildew resistant, and super easy to clean once you've gone on whatever adventure you're going on. I'm a mountain biker, and when I get back and load my bikes in, load my shoes in, there's always dirt all over the floor, and I'm always trying to find a quick, easy way to clean all that stuff off. These guys can come right out. They're attached by snaps together or straight to your flooring system, and you can pull them out of your van and power wash them, sweep them, whatever you need to do. That way you keep the floor of your van clean and also just maintain the durability of everything else that's permanent inside of your van. And the nice part about the Inhabit floor is you can take the patterns and the color scheme that you have in your van and put them into the flooring that you have here. Available in many different colors. And the best part about these floors, they look almost as good as I do.
I mean, he's not wrong. They do look pretty great. And speaking of looks, when you do order them, you can choose from a wide range of colors and configurations just in case you don't want a whole set for your van. So, if you're tired of sweeping, and then vacuuming, and then sweeping again, consider getting one of these mats. You can find them on our website or call us for more details. Thanks for watching.